Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, class 12. I hope I'm audible and all good.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice and
Yes,
all
ma'am.
good? All fine? All right. Thank you.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Is low?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Just a second. Just a second. Hello? Hello? I think level is okay. So,
Yes,
is it okay now?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Very first question is that I hope all of you have been able to upload that answer, because I think the date expires today, then you won't be able to. So therefore, I wanted to know.
Yes, ma'am. Submitted.
Submitted all of
On
you. Yudrika, I've seen quite a few, but I just wanted to know from all the others.
Yes, ma'am. I have also submitted.
All submitted? Acha, theek hai. In case there's somebody left, and was it okay? You could submit it. Was there any problem? Any loading problem or anything? No?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening. All right. So we set on to the next question and the next part then, in case everything is okay. It is more or less the same as classroom, I think. Yes. All right. Let's try and finish our Act 3 so that we can get on to, this is like we have gone back and we are doing something of 11th, right? And we have to do so much, 15 minutes. Okay. You did it through app or you did it through Chrome, Rudrika? How did you load? You did it from app or Chrome? Is there any difference in that? Mm-hmm. Okay, chalo, we are all struggling with technology and time issues, so of course that is something we will all learn. All right. Page 91. So Ariel had spoken whatever he had to speak, he had come. Now understand here that of course Ariel has been sent by Prospero, and Ariel was sent by Prospero so that now I'm going to discuss a little of Prospero's character here, okay? Because all this was managed, planned by Prospero. Of course, the important role was given to Ariel to act out whatever Prospero wanted. So this whole thing, like Mask had a purpose. Now, my next question you will have to do would be kind of a comparison between banquet scene and Mask. Okay. Now, I know I am very sure Mask is very clear to you. So here also, I think everything is clear to you. What do you think was the purpose of this banquet scene? What do you think is the purpose of the banquet scene? What do you think was the purpose of this whole magical show, which was carried out by Prospero in Act 3, Scene 3? To make the three men of sin utter the sin they had done. All right, okay, Rudrika, it was like make them acknowledge, make them speak out कि हाँ मैंने ही जुर्म करा है ना? Okay, to give them food and to remind them about their sin. All right, but खाना तो मिला ही नहीं, खाना तो सिर्फ दिखाया उन्होंने, और खाना तो हार्पी के आने से पहले ही चला गया था. Go on, go on. Punish, okay, Aditi, punish, okay. But that was the purpose of the harpy scene. Okay, banquet and harpy together. Banquet and harpy together. Suppose if we were to put both of them together. Yes, basically it was to, just a second, there is a phone. Just 1 second.
Hello.
Oh, these Airtel people also have to call at this time only. Don't they know we are having such an important class? Anyways, to make the three men confess, first of all, to remind, somebody wrote it up, remind them about the sin. I think you had written about, I don't know who wrote that, but that was correct. Number 1 point, please take it up. Somebody can note this down. Remind them about their sin, number 1. To remind the all three men of sin about this से पहले तो उनको याद दिलाना था, हो सकता है भूल भी गए होंगे. Number 2 was to make them confess their sins, है ना? Now they will speak out, what Rudrika wrote in the beginning, to make them speak out, to make them confess their sins. Yes, so that they can be made to feel guilty about whatever has happened, है ना? Yes. Any other thing? Yes, indeed, to make them feel guilty. And what about the banquet scene? What do you think was the reason for the banquet scene? Hello, I can't hear you. What's happened? Yes, and of course, to impress upon them, and also to impress upon them his magical powers. Of course, to take, and you're forgetting, to take revenge. He wants to take revenge. That could be one of the main reasons, that they have done something wrong, so he wants to take revenge. Yes, of course, good Bhavna. And that is also to surprise them by his magical thing. Dekho, it was like later, they will be able to अंडरस्टैंड कि ये सब प्रॉस्पेरो ने करा. अभी तो उन्हें पता नहीं है, लेकिन बाद में पता चल जाएगा, तो वो मान जाएंगे that oh my god, Prospero, you are really a wonderful magician, So, and if you remember, it was because of the study of magic that he lost his dukedom. So it is somewhere to prove that if I actually studied magic at that time, now I have become perfect in magic. So it is to show his magical skills. You can note down all these 4 5 points, why all this is done, and then When I ask you a question based on this, then we'll be able to do it. I will go on upon it even more in detail. So all this happened, and let's see what happens. What is Prospero to say? Now look at it, it is an aside. Whatever he will speak will not be heard by anyone else except you all, me, and only the audience. The actors on the stage cannot hear whatever he is going to speak. Let's see what has Prospero to say. Bravely the figure of this harpy hast thou performed, my Ariel. He says, Ariel. Now look at the compliments coming here. You remember, Mask Me? I had asked you a question, give all the compliments. How had Ariel done the work and all that? So, I don't know if you remember. What was the compliment given to Ariel after Mask? What was the compliment given to Ariel after Mask? Quickly, what was that? What was the compliment given after Mask to Ariel? What did Prospero say? Nobody remembers. Hello? Hello? I hope I'm audible. I'm asking a
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Acha, all right. I thought nobody's responding. Yes, I get some answers
Ma'am, I
now.
gave the answer.
I saw. Now I saw. He's just my okay. That was well done, my bird, my industrious servant. Good, good, good. Any other? Mask bhulo nahi bhai. You don't have to forget. You know what was uh, taken up in mask. So I'm just trying to ask you, Mask, why? Because we kind of have a similar thing happening here. The purpose is different and the audience is different. That mask was done for Miranda and Ferdinand. Now this is for three men of sin. Here it is to take revenge. Here it is to remind them of their sins and make them feel guilty, make them confess their sins. That was betrothal ceremony. That was as a reward. That was that show was as a reward because Ferdinand had done his work wonderfully well and made Prospero very happy. So the whole mood in the two were different. There he was very happy. Prospero was very happy. And here let's see what he has to say. So he says, bravely the figure. He says, the role of Harpy, you have performed Ariel very well. You know, it was like kind of a standing ovation. Talia, talia, talia. You know, it was like a standing ovation, which was given to Ariel. A grace it had. You did it very gracefully. Even though the role was very difficult, the role was to, you know, remind them about the sin. The role was to get angry at these three men of sin, but you did it beautifully. You did it with grace. Devouring of my instruction. You followed every single instruction that I gave to you. You actually gave out every single instruction that was given to you. Hast thou nothing baited? Baited, you did not leave out. You did not leave out a single instruction that I gave, every single thing. So now Prospero is kind of telling us that Ariel, itna lamba speech diye the, he spoke such a long speech, it was not his own. I was the one who gave the script to him. I was the one who told him And he's kind of reminding us that, look, I am the master. Ariel was only a performer. So he says, you have done it wonderfully. It was devouring. It was captivating performance. It was an awesome performance, devouring. And you did not leave out any single instruction in what thou hadst to say. Whatever you were told, not a single thing you left out, and you did everything to a T. So with good life and observation strange, my meaner ministers their several kinds have done. And he said that in the same manner, my meaner ministers, my other spirits, lesser spirits, smaller spirits, inferior spirits to Ariel. Ariel to bahut badi spirit hai. He says, my meaner ministers, my lesser spirits, the spirits which are lesser in power than Ariel is, their several kinds have done. Even they did their roles very well. You know, you remember so many different spirits had entered, they had danced, they had shown different gestures. So he says that everything was done so with good life and observation strange. He says it was so real. It looked so real. Nobody could have believed that this was all an acting done. Now, this is the best part because actually the whole play भी act out हो रहा है. ये जो पूरा play था, ये stage पर दिखाया जा रहा था और उसके बीच में एक we have a line coming up that Ariel, this is like TV के अंदर TV, है ना? Stage के ऊपर पहले ही we have a play called Tempest, and now inside the Tempest we the master of Tempest is Shakespeare. Shakespeare is directing it. You remember once earlier we had seen the Globe Theatre, and that was the theatre, and Shakespeare used to direct the plays. है ना? Now here inside the Tempest play, we have Prospero as the director, and Ariel is performing a role. I hope this part is clear. So this is interesting line where he said, you made it so real, you made it so lifelike. And he is very happy till this part. Rudrika, please let me know who's doing the questions today
Okay, ma'am.
so that you know that person can also be, it helps that person, you know, to take up the questions while I'm speaking out the questions also.